Greetings. Today I am going to unpack a Dreamgrip Evolution Pro camera rig. I got this in the post today. It has come all the way from Hong Kong. I contacted the Dreamgrip company in Hong Kong at their website, and they were very kind enough to send it promptly. It was cleared by customs in India and I have got it today. I am really excited about this new rig and I think it is going to help me a lot in my video creation endeavors. Hi, I am Dr.A.K. Venkatachalam. I am an orthopedic surgeon in Chennai, India. In my spare time, I create videos, mainly talking head videos to guide doctors. So today I am going to show you the unpacking of this Dreamgrip Evolution Pro. So I've got my camera set up here. It has got a foam packing, which is good. With bubble wrap. And then there is a second layer of bubble wrap here. They have taken all the precautions to ship it carefully from Hong Kong. Here we are. We have the Dreamgrip Evolution Pro. It is called a Dreamgrip Universal Modular Transformable Rig. Dreamgrip Evolution Pro. Here she comes. And that's it. You can see Evolution Pro. Let's see what's inside. Here there is an instruction manual, user manual. Let's put it aside. These are some thumb screws. More thumb screws. They have sent in, they have provided this one camera grip here, which is a plain extensible one. And then there is another camera grip here. This is a screw type one. So I'm more comfortable with these. This has got thread at the back as well as 1/4 inch thread at the bottom also. So we can open it up with a screw action. You can see it opens up. So let's set it aside. Two camera holders, phone holders. What's inside that? This is an OPL filter. I wasn't expecting this, frankly. The case for the OPL filter. These are the side handles, I suppose. Here are the metal supports which are assembled at the top and the bottom of the rig, and these are the side grips. So let's assemble them one by one. The optics clamp, this should go into the frame here, and I suppose it will be connected by 2 threads. So this optics clamp can be moved up and down. We will be attaching the filters to this, and now we will have to fit in the phone clamp here. So it has got a screw at the bottom, thread at the bottom, and this is it. I don't have any spare phone now. So what I will do is I will pause the recording here, and then I will get back to you with a further video. I will shoot some footage with this. This is the whole rig. It's pretty solid. It's got a good height. The phone, any phone can be kept here, and there's a lens holder here, and at the top you have this hot shoe extension, one on either side, to which you can attach a flashlight or an LED light. At the top railing here you can attach any attachments, like you can add a mic with a cold shoe extension, another light over here, and this filter optics attachment I think has got facility to accommodate many many sizes of filters. The central hole, as I can see here, it's probably about 17 millimeter. So my Ulanzi anamorphic lens and the Ulanzi telescopic lens should fit into that one. The next one is probably a 37 millimeter filter ring, and into that I can screw in my wide angle lens, and at the top over here the outer one is probably 52 or 58 millimeter. I can thread on any filters. I have got ND filters over here and I can thread it onto them, and all that will be covering or placed over the camera lens over here. Here is a strap which has got the label on it, Dreamgrip, and it will go into the cage over here. There is a slot over here for the strap, and one here on this side also here, and you can hang it around the neck and go about on your filming adventures. So now the challenge is for me, I'm going to try on assemble these anamorphic lens. This one, there's a wide angle lens and another telescopic lens. I will assemble it and I will get back to you in another video. I will also record some footage with this rig, with all my ND filters and all that, and I'll get back to you in another video. The cost of this was about 8,500 Indian rupees. The custom duty which I had to pay was 1,150. All in all, it came to around 10,000 rupees, and I suppose it is going to enhance my filmmaking to a great extent. I mainly make talking head videos, and it will probably have a role in while I'm recording videos, talking head videos like this, because I can assemble, I can attach a light, a mic, and any kind of filter over here to the Note camera. I'll get back to you with that in another video. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. If you'd like to see more videos like this, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, Madras Joint Replacement Center, MJRC. Like and share. Press the bell icon after subscribing so that you will get a notification when I upload a video like this in future. See you in another video. Cheers.